Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to create beautiful product images using AI, and it is best for online businesses. Using Pebblely, the AI platform we are utilizing can generate stunning product images within seconds and effortlessly craft Instagram-worthy photos for any product with just a simple click. Therefore, by leveraging this platform, your online business can experience significant enhancements and attract a larger customer base in the future. Before we dive in, if you are interested in staying informed about the latest AI tools and gaining proficiency in their use, this channel is an ideal choice for you. We regularly provide updates and offer user-friendly tutorials on maximizing the potential of AI tools in today's context. Please remember to hit the subscribe button. Your support enables us to continue creating informative videos like this. Now, let us get started. First and foremost, the initial step involves creating an account to gain access to this platform. To begin, please open your preferred web browser and navigate to the pebblely.com website. Then, click on the Get Started option. You have the choice of either entering your email address or simply opting to sign in using your Google account to proceed. In my case, I will opt for the Google account to facilitate the account creation process. And just like that, we now have an account, allowing us to generate background images for our products. By the way, it is important to note that as a free account user, there are limitations. On this platform, you can generate images for up to 40 photos. But the good news is that this limit refreshes every month. So, you will have 40 photos available to you each month, which is quite beneficial for a free account. Later, I will also discuss the subscription pricing. However, for now, let's give this platform a try. Next, click on the Upload New button. Then, you can either drop an image or select one from your device. Since I don't have an image on hand, I will perform a quick Google search. I will search for serum. Okay, I think this image looks suitable. So, I will save it and see how it turns out later. If you already have a photo ready, you can simply use that. Now, let's go ahead and upload the picture we saved earlier. Afterward, we will patiently wait for it to remove the background. As you can observe, the background has now been successfully removed. On the right side, you have the option to zoom in if needed or fine-tune the background removal if you are not entirely satisfied. You can also modify the product name. If you have no further changes to make, simply click on the Save Asset button. This is the stage where you can transform the background, giving your photos that professional look commonly seen in advertisements. On the left side, you can select from a variety of themes to enhance your product's presentation. There are numerous themes to choose from, and you also have the option to customize them according to your preferences. However, please note that some customization features may be restricted for non-subscribers. Let's take a look at the online or the subscription pricing, which can be advantageous for your business, particularly if it operates online. The available subscription tiers include $19, $39, and $3,000. If you are just starting out, I recommend the $19 per month plan. If you frequently generate images, the unlimited plan might be more suitable. For larger companies, reaching out to their service and support team to discuss customized options may be a viable choice. Now, if you have already made your theme selection, simply click on the Generate button and patiently await the generation process. In just a matter of seconds, you will have a polished background for your products. Isn't that fantastic? Additionally, for those on the Pro plan, there is the option to resize and edit your photos. Once you have completed your edits, you can easily download the final result. I am genuinely excited to hear your thoughts on this. Are you as impressed as I am with how effortlessly you can create professional-looking images for your products without the need for extensive design work? I encourage you to give this platform a try and explore the creative possibilities it offers. Whether you are an expert or simply looking to have some creative fun, it is a fantastic tool to bring your ideas to life. After you have had a chance to experiment with it, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I am eager to hear your feedback, as your ideas and experiences can be a valuable tool for others who are considering giving it a go. Let's all contribute to making this platform even more useful and enjoyable for everyone. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.